if you want to get a live wallpaper on OnePlus 15R, here's what you can do. So in order to get the live wallpaper on this phone, you will need to use a third-party app that allows you to get an animated wallpaper or video wallpaper. In my case, I used the Zedge app, which you can get from the Play Store. However, if you go to the Play Store and if you search, for example, for like animated wallpaper or something like that, or live wallpaper, then you should be able to find many different examples, and probably all of them allow you to get some sort of live animated video wallpapers and stuff. So in this case, I'm gonna show you how to get an animated wallpaper based on this app over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the app, of course, and just wait for the app to be installed. Once it is installed, we want to open it. And I'm gonna show you how to go through the setup, which is really easy. So first we have to tap on accept and continue, then we're gonna tap on accept in here. You don't have to agree to receive notifications, and we can close the premium offer here in the upper right corner. Now we can go to the video wallpapers section, and you can try to find a wallpaper that you wish to use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We have a preview how it looks like. Of course we can go left and right as well in order to try to find something different. And if you find the wallpaper that you wish to set, then we can tap on the download button here, this purple one. You have two options. You can either watch an ad and get the wallpaper, or you can use credits. You get 10 credits at the start, so you can use them immediately if you want to. And if you don't have them anymore, then of course you can just watch an ad and then get the wallpaper. Once you get the wallpaper, tap on set video wallpaper in here. Then we're gonna tap on apply to, and then you can choose to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna tap on both, then press apply in the upper right corner, and now we should be able to go to the home screen in order to see our wallpaper. Now there is a chance that there will be no animation at all, so in that case you can go back to the app and you can set it up again. Sometimes you have to do this to make it work. And there we go, now we do have the animation. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe